This 5-minute Buddhist ritual heals your body without medicine. Close your eyes for a moment and listen with your heart. There exists a ritual, an ancient ritual, a forgotten ritual, a silent ritual that requires no medicine, no technology, no commercial promises. A Buddhist ritual passed down in sacred forests where monks heal not with pills but with breath, awareness, and a return to the present moment. Why 5 minutes? Because 5 minutes is enough to change your body's state, enough to reset your nervous system, enough to send a vibrational message to every cell. You can stop surviving and start healing. Yet, it's too short for your ego to resist, too short for your mind to sabotage, too short for you to give up. This ritual is not spectacular, it is sacred. It makes no noise, but it speaks to your liver, your heart, your immune system, the light in your bone marrow. It repairs what medicine cannot see, what science cannot measure, what your soul has felt for a long time. Passed down by wandering monks, this ritual has been used for centuries in forest monasteries, where monks practice the art of healing without effort. They say, when you return to yourself, your body stops fighting and starts listening, and that's when the healing begins. In a few moments, you will learn an extremely simple but profoundly sacred ritual. It will take only 5 minutes, but it could change how your body awakens, defends, digests, sleeps, and releases. This is not a technique. It is an embodied, silent prayer. Origin of the ritual: healing from silence. This ritual does not come from hospitals, laboratories, or industry. It comes from silent forests, remote mountains, and monasteries rarely visited. The forest monks, found in Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, and northern Thailand, do not live in cities. They seek no comfort. They sleep under trees, meditate with snakes, pray with the winds, and heal with breath, silence, and vibration. This ritual is not read in a book. It is transmitted through presence, example, and listening. When a disciple is ready, the master does not offer a theory but a breath, a rhythm, a gesture saying, "Do this every morning, and you will understand what your body has never forgotten." In ancient Buddhist traditions, illness is believed to begin long before the body speaks, starting in the breath, in the imbalance of tension, in the loss of connection with the right vibration. The ritual you are about to learn targets this precise moment, when you stop fighting and start existing. The 5-minute Buddhist ritual to heal the body without medicine. Get settled, close your eyes, and breathe gently. This ritual consists of 4 sacred phases: the breath, the gesture, the visualization, and the energetic leap. Step 1. The opening breath. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Place both hands on your stomach. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 2 seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. With each exhale, visualize a gray mist leaving your body tensions, stress, old thoughts. Continue this breathing. Step 2. The sacred chalice gesture. Now place your hands in a cup shape, as if receiving an invisible offering. Your thumbs touch, fingers relaxed, hands resting at your navel. Close your eyes, feel the energy in your palms, and say inwardly, "I am ready to receive the healing I already carry." Step 3. The golden light visualization. Imagine a soft golden light descending from the sky like a gentle, warm, benevolent rain. It enters through the crown of your head and slowly flows down through your throat, your heart, your stomach, your pelvis, and your feet. This light cleanses, restores, reinforms, and heals. You don't need to do anything. Just let it work. Step 4. The healing leap. Place your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your stomach. Stay there, breathe gently, and say inwardly, I am healed, I am light, I am alive. Remain in this silence for another 30 seconds. Smile gently, then open your eyes. Effects of the ritual. A sensation of warmth and inner calm, reduced mental agitation, reactivation of immunity through the parasympathetic system, subtle reduction of pain or tension, and a feeling of receiving something invisible, yet real. You have just performed a rare act, an ancient gesture, a simple but sacred ritual. For 5 minutes, you didn't try to do anything, you simply allowed, opened, and welcomed. In that silent space, your body began to listen, vibrate, and heal. Remember this, it is not the duration but the presence that heals. It is not the complexity but the awareness that transforms. And what you have just activated needs nothing more than your commitment. Practice this ritual every day for 7 days, always at the same time, always in silence, always with respect. And observe. Observe what changes in your body, your sleep, your mood, your energy. Write in the comments, I start today, 7 days, 5 minutes. I let my body heal. Like this video if your heart resonated. Subscribe to receive weekly sacred Buddhist rituals and share it with someone seeking peace without medicine. Your body is more than a tool, it is a temple, and every ritual is an offering to tomorrow for the next sacred gesture.